train. Which train?
Breath is going down now. I heard Central Graph, so I just started recording with Brayford. Oh, you pressed the green twice. It's broken now.
Good.
No, it's going down.
It's not going down.
Alright. Let's do...
The Yoda alarm or the lights aren't on.
What?
The Yoda alarm or the
I'm
lights
doing
aren't
this fine,
on.
Mum.
It's not good. Crossing's broken. Lights aren't working. My BCD view didn't go as planned, but I don't care.
Anyways, for Central 2000.
Alright, we'll do.
Brady one, Northern from School.
To unplug.
Okay. Tell her you left the flat iron.
Run down to Central.
Plug.
Exclamation point.
Yeah, she's broken up.
Turned off, but you must unplug.
Alright. Alright, don't yell.
Rest of that?
Yeah, don't yell at me when I'm talking to my friends across the pond. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Central. Just down this walk.
Alright, as you can see,
Sunday, Jace.
as you can see, Central is up.
Brayford's down with no lights and no Yoda alarm. The Yoda alarm
Oh wait,
wasn't on.
Brayford's down. Has Brayford broken again?
Yeah,
Central.
you pressed the green button about 5 times. Brayford was down, Central was down, and then, yeah,
Oh,
bro.
oh dear.
Oh dear. Across
Central
the pub.
went down about 30 seconds ago and then went straight back up. And then you put Brayford down,
Guess what?
but then Brayford didn't go up, and then you pressed the green button about 50 times, and then the lights in the Yoda lamp broke.
And then you break.
Oh, guess what?
What?
Let's do Ashens. Da 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 da.
Yeah, people are. There's literally no one on this game except for my 2 friends, and there are no hangmans.
Alright.
Unless the
So-
wind gets too bad, and then the crescent hangmans. But
Turn
okay,
camera.
that's not gonna happen. Oh, the wind affected it. No, don't care about that.
2015 5 Bravo 90 East Coast service to Neville Hill.
Calling the icons to be everywhere in the world.
No,
Obey.
because the bit over 43 277.
Oh dear, Skype. I'm sorry, not Skype. Roblox decided to crash.
Oh dear. I can say
Oh shite.
Shizen.
Wait! And tried to jump into the
What?
drain. There it goes. Brayford's a
Guess
bit broken at the moment, so we're just ignoring Brayford. Red man there.
Actually, if everybody leaves the server, it will reset and then it won't be broken anymore.
Andrew, could you let me into the box this time?
On a while.
What?
Sorted.